of Thrones series has been finished for several years, but I always want to use 3D printing technology to print DROGON. With JLC3DP, the future of manufacturing with advanced 3D printing service, JLC3DP focus on providing 3D printing technology and material which covers stereolithography, selective laser sintering, fuse deposition modeling, selective laser melting, multi-jet fusion. JLC3DP's streamlined online platform allows for easy upload of 3D models, instant codes, and real-time auto-tracking for material selection to the speedy delivery of final products. They meticulously manage every step, with production times as fast as 24 hours and delivery within just 2 days. JLC3DP also launched a new 3D printing option, full color resin printing with white jet process. It supports printing any color you want and even in transparent. JLC3DP is a perfect choice with high quality and efficiency. Check out what JLC3DP can do for you at the link below. Up to $60 new user coupons.